We're using Flutter and Flame with the Jenny dialog engine. Right now this entire screen is a button, and when I press it, it's going to cycle through the text that's in a separate yarn file. The dialog is stored in a specific syntax called yarn from Yarn Spinner. Jenny is a Dart implementation of it. Most of the interaction between the Flame game and the Jenny system is within this one component here, which I've used a dialog view component. Today we're going to add the text box component, or the text component, to get this type of string onto the game screen. Let's first start off with building a text box component. So let's put it right here. We'll call it maybe main dialog text component. In the onload method, right there, let's scroll down. What did I call it? Dialog main. Text box component, and we'll put the text as, I guess the text can be null. Maybe I'll just put it as blank for now. And we'll set a position for it. Vector 2. Maybe we'll have it 50 pixels in from the left side of the screen, so it's X and Y. And then I'll use so it's 80% down from the top of the screen. So this size.y is the size of the entire screen. So it's 80% down from the top of it. And maybe I'll do a box config. And we'll set the max width to, we use the same thing, screen ref dot size dot y times 0.8. See whether it appears. Oh. Add it in here. Main dialog text component. And we'll go down to the advancing the line. Main dialog text component dot text equals dialog line text. Alright, it's working. Oh, very good. It's a little short here, and we want to put some type of background on it. Okay, this should be X. Okay, looking a little bit better. So I'll set up a paint so that we can use a text renderer of the text box component. So I'll go final. We'll just create a name. Dialog paint. So I'm making this up here. And so text paint. And we'll go style. Text style. go background color, and we'll go colors dot gray, and font size, we'll go 24. See how it looks. Oh, I need to add the text dialog paint. Okay. I'm going to change the opacity. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to change the opacity to 120. So 0 to 255. 0 is completely transparent, and 255 is completely opaque. I'm going to make this opacity a bit more. Increase the font size. Okay, to get around this issue, I'm going to put the sample text here at the beginning. Press next to begin the story, but the text will immediately disappear. So let's say I'll start off with hi, or Ken saying hi, I haven't seen you before on the boat before. I'm Ken, which is in the yarn file right here. So next video we'll do branching, where we can put options to make a decision, and I think he's going to decide whether to ask her out. So say for example, this can be a branch here. So we'll have these branches come up, and then based on the action that will occur, he'll progress in his state a bit. So hopefully they have a great relationship, or maybe he'll meet another woman or girl on the ship. Have fun if you're learning about Flutter and Flame.